Mint tea, a traditional tea celebrated in many cultures, is prepared by steeping mint leaves in hot water. It can be made using spearmint, peppermint, or orange mint leaves1. Mint tea offers several health benefits. 1. Digestive aid. Peppermint tea may relieve an upset stomach and symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It helps relax the muscles of the stomach and improves bile flow, aiding digestion. 2. Cold and flu relief. Mint tea's aroma helps open nasal passages, while menthol, found in peppermint, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help relieve cold and flu symptoms. 3. Indigestion and heartburn relief. Mint tea's cooling sensation can relieve indigestion and heartburn. 4. Bad breath relief. Mint tea combats bad breath due to its refreshing flavor. 5. Respiratory health. Mint tea unclogs respiratory passages and airways, making it beneficial for respiratory health.